Fellas. 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 Who's ready? 30 seconds. It's a shame that I went to our TP and stopped us out, but it's okay because we're gonna make it back on the PM session. 30 seconds, guys. Here we go. 3, 2. Hold on. Hello. Oh, wrong one. Fuck, I messed it up. Hello. Welcome back to another stream. We're back. I messed it up. All right, listen. Don't judge me, all right? I messed it up. I'll do better next time. Ooh, you can see the bull here? See if we can get the bull in there. I sold just like I did for the AM session, but it's okay. It is a-okay, chat, because we got another banger session today. Listen, we were right, okay? We had the right bias, the right everything. We just got chopped up in the noise at the beginning of the 9:30 open, so hey, it's all good. It's all good because why? We followed our risk management. We stayed disciplined. We managed our emotions. And now we move on. I know guys, I cannot fix the quality until my internet provider comes. So there's nothing I can do. I can fix the quality, but the stream is going to be delayed. The internet provider takes years to come. I'm not kidding, not years, but it's coming. But fellas, we got another session in the play today. I think we got a very amazing PM session, and I'm looking for longs, and I actually see a setup coming. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. So as you can see, simple power of 3 was there, but we just did not capitalize from it. 1 second, chat. But I'm looking at this fair value gap. I gotta mark this out. I want to see a long right here. I want to see a long right here. I want to see it going up. I see it going up to this high right here. I don't think we need to go to the low. I'm just basing it off that fair value gap. Broke structure to the upside. Yeah, I see us going up higher. We are in that 1 hour fair value gap, but I see us pushing above my net open. So let's see if we can get a fill here. Probably won't, but it's okay. You guys gotta give me a second. I'm just trying to load up the stream here. On my end. How's everyone AM session do today though? My eyes look dead. What have I been doing? Having a little bit of a crash. Being tired, but I was laying down on this eye. I was like this. Dude, this eye looks fine. Anyways, let's focus on this trade here, so we can get a fill. Calculator, come on, hello. 18. 11. 11 contracts. All right, let's see if we can get a fill here on this inefficiency here. There's a volume balance, so I have to mark it out like that. It could go up there though, so we'll see. We'll get a fill like this. Either or. Entry like this, preferably down there would be better. Take profit. I'm looking for these lows, these highs to get taken. We're partialing on each level. I'm going for the top. As you can see, partial, 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 partial. No fair value gap fill yet. And then final TP is going to be this high right here. So I'm looking at. We just broke structure to the high. Let's see if it trades back up. I'll get into the long here. I know we're in a 1 hour fair value gap, guys. I see the 1 hour fair value gap, but we souped our target already, so I want to see it turn up. Okay, I'd get into long if it puts back to my fill here. Is the music too loud, by the way, guys? I feel like it is. Beautiful long and previous day low. I know, look at that. And it retests there, and then pushes back up higher. If it pushes down here, I'm probably going to take the fill and use the mitigation block as my stop. Like I should be doing that. Yeah, low key. I don't want to be greedy. A bit loud, yeah. I found it was a bit loud too. That. 1 second. There we go. All right, I'm gonna get into a long here, chat. Just wait for one little body reaction. By the way, these are not my Apex accounts. I told myself that I didn't want to risk more. So I am trading Tradify straight to funded. I'll see it push up here. I do think it could easily go up there. We're betting against that 1 hour for value gap though. But we have a mitigation block here, so this low should be protected. Oh, guys, for who type 1 if you missed the AM stream. Type 1 if you missed the AM stream. Guess who stopped by the stream? Guess who stopped by the stream, chat? ICT came in stream. I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious. Look at. Wait. He would be talking too much on my Discord. I can't find it there. Look at. He said focus on your stream, Ben, because I was talking about the Justin Whalen thing. No way. I still can't believe that's real, bro. Guys, beautiful reaction off that fair value gap. Let's run it. Do you guys, am I too cold? Is this video too cold? Should I warm up the lighting? Maybe like this. Is that better? Yeah, ICT stopped by and tweeted about you moving your stop loss to aggressive. He did? No way he tweeted about me doing that. You're lying. No, he didn't. Bro. Oh man, bro. Terrible reaction. I just don't see it reacting to that 1 hour for value gap because it hasn't even broken to a premium. And we took previous day low. So like, where is our target here? I was thinking previous is going to reverse off previous day low, especially with that reaction. So maybe I'm just speaking too early and this is manipulation. 5 minute fair value gap. I think it's just too obvious for that to use that 1 hour fair value gap to push on lower. Or you know what? In terms for a re-entry, it could go to that 15 minute. Or it just pushes up higher from here. We'll be patient though, chat. I don't see this 1 hour fair value gap causing price action to drive out lower. If you look at prehistoric price action, you can see every time it breaks out of a previous day high or low range, it reverses. And if we want to anticipate this 1 hour fair value gap to work after taking previous day low, we're anticipating to completely break out of the range. So we'll see. I personally think that the only reason why a loss would happen in this trade is if it's going to this 15-minute unicorn setup. Because I believe there is SMT on ES as well. What are we on the 15-minute chart? No, YM. Yeah, there's SMT with YM on those lows. So it is a valid reversal, chat. But it could be drawing to that 15-minute fair value gap. So if you look here, there's SMT on those lows. And those lows also took that previous day low. See? And then we formed SMT. So that's a smart money reversal. So I'm definitely bullish still. Even if I get stopped out, I'm still going to be bullish and I'm going to ignore that 1 hour SIBI because that's in the opposite direction, right? That's like saying, that's like not taking a long because there's bullish fair value gaps here, you know, or not taking a long. That's like not taking a short because there was a bullish fair value gap, right? Yeah, there's a fair value gap, but is it in the right narrative? Is it in the right sense of direction? We soup these lows. It looks like we're turning up higher. All right, so just give it its time. Let's see how we react to this 1 minute SIBI it's forming and trading into here. If we can rip past it, that'll be beautiful. But again, we have the mitigation block stop loss, not the fair value gap. So it can easily invalidate the fair value gap. As long as it's factoring in the mitigation block, we're going to be fine. But I'm not worried on that 1 hour fair value gap. I honestly think it's still going to turn up here. The consistency rule is removed for the evaluations for Apex. For Lucid, I wouldn't be able to tell you, but I don't think so. Have I ever put any of my childhood friends on trading? I've tried, and like I don't really have any childhood friends anymore. Like back then when I was in high school, I tried and they just didn't stick to it. But yeah, there's so much you can do. Lucid is 2 days to pass eval. Okay. Good. Guys, Ben is a fraud. He teaches to not be emotional, but did anyone see how emotional he got when ICT finally came in stream? Guys, I got exposed. I got exposed. Bro, you guys gotta allow me for that one, bro. Being a fanboy, bro. Okay, I understand being a fanboy for anybody else, but like, bro, come on. The one guy that has basically, without his watching his YouTube videos and studying it, I wouldn't have been where I am. Come on. Come on. Allow it. Allow it. When did ICT come to stream for AM session? ICT stopped by my stream for AM session. Like TJR said, once you make, you gotta switch up on your day one. Guys, we have a... Listen, I'm not gonna say anything too early because there's no promises that it will happen, but it's aligning that it will happen. We're gonna be doing a free live stream on YouTube. Me, Peter Tuchman, and David Green. Brother, it's going to be the biggest live stream YouTube has ever seen for trading. I'm telling you, it's going to be collaborated on my YouTube and his. And it's all going to be free. We got moves here, fellas. We got moves here. I'm telling you, Benjamin SMC is making moves, guys. I'm making moves. I'm telling you. You know what I'm doing right now? I'm going on Amazon and I'm ordering these panels because I see this and that can't happen. What are they called? Here they are. Where did I check the Urus? It was a dealership in Toronto. I don't love it, guys. I drove it. It's not, it doesn't give you that Lamborghini feeling. Not talking about Justin, guys. I'm trying to stay away from the drama. Trying to stay away from the drama, guys. Want to focus on trading and education and content and whatever. Okay, now we need to push just a little bit higher before I can drag my stop loss there and cut risk by 50% already. So I just need to wait for price action to push it a little bit higher. Tyler! Tyler! Welcome, brother. Bro, ICT stopped by the stream, the AM session. Bro, ICT came to my stream, didn't say anything of like, yo, this, that. He just said, I was talking about Justin. He was just like, focus on yourself, bro. That's all he said and then left. I made him laugh though. I made a joke about the hockey game. He invited me to the van. You're going too? No way. Here's Midnight Open, that black line, by the way, guys. TG had a great day with gold and Ethereum. Brother, last time I saw this guy was like, I think it was Ethereum or Bitcoin shorts or longs. This guy was up like 30 grand, bro. Not the greatest reaction, guys. Not the greatest reaction after that entry there. So I am probably going to close out this trade. I don't know. It's just that 5 minute looks too good. And the fact that it's leaving equal highs here and it inverted this and it's trading into the inversion fair value gap. I don't want to get out of it. Like, look at this inversion that we're in right now, chat. I can't get out of it until we body past mean threshold. Like, yeah, I could also target the new week opening gap, but I'm not going that aggressive. I'm just going for this. Look at the 3 minute. Yeah, it's insane. It's insane. But it's also showing rejection to the upside. Like, remember, whenever you see that, you also have to factor in that it's also rejecting to push up as much as it's rejecting to push down. Remember that. hour fair value gap. I see that, but I'm not factoring in it because we already took sell side liquidity. Remember, narrative over inefficiencies like that. Narrative over inefficiencies like that, chat. Guys, I'm going to be fixing the stream quality very, very soon. All right, very soon. I'm going to call them today, see when they're coming, because like they've been taking a while. Oh, wow. This video's at 220,000 views, bro. No, my stream's gonna get copyright. I can't play that. No way I get copyright from that little thing. What's wrong with the quality? It's only 780p. Like, I'm using a $4,000 camera right now. It looks better on my stream, but on yours, what you see, you can't. Slow PA? Yeah, I know. I'm gonna close out of this trade, guys. And I don't usually close early, but it invalidated the reasons into being into it, so I'm gonna manage the loss. Just gotta see it body past that low, then close out. And then I'm out. If it bodies past this low and doesn't soup it, I'm out of it. Manage the loss. It could soup this low, but again, body past it. No, thank you. No, thank you if it body past it. We got to push up here or else I'm out. All right, I caught my trade early. Just good risk management. Looks like it wants to react off that 1 hour for value gap. The markets has just not been good the past Friday and Monday. I'm gonna stay away. I'm not gonna take a short. I'll look for a re-entry if it breaks up to this high above this volume imbalance, but until then, I'm not touching it. Wait for macro time in 8 minutes? No, I would only do that if I'm looking for manipulation. Release the Benjamin file. Patience, guys. Patience. I didn't like that trade, so I got out of it, but I will re-enter if it breaks above that volume imbalance, but I don't think it will. I think it's going to continue down lower here. Like, it looks like it's going to go to the 15-minute, then turn up. So I closed my trade early. Ideally, I'm going to get into a trade like this. Don't even need to be like that. It can be like this on the 1 minute. Just need to see a nice 1 minute reaction. Yeah, see. I'm going to take a trade on that 15-minute. I feel like I should have waited for that. Made the mistake by not waiting for that. But it's okay. We haven't even touched midnight open, and it looks like we're wanting to reverse, so that also looks like we want to turn up. They go to the 15-minute bullshit rally gap. Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. Check the 27.6 minute chart. Okay. Bro. Friday was not, or no, not Friday. I didn't trade Friday. Or did I trade Friday? Yeah, I did. How did we do on Friday, chat? Did we win? Oh no, we didn't catch it. Okay. Thursday was not good. Friday, we didn't catch a trade. Today we lost. So far the past 2 days have not been that good. But I'm pretty sure, I think it was before I went to New York, we made $45,000 in one trade. Like, we caught a banger trade. So we're still doing fine, but we just can't. Okay, we're in that 15-minute. I got luck in here. Lost on Friday? No, I swore I had to go early. Yeah, so I won. I broke even on Friday. Yeah, Friday was a break even. I didn't lose on Friday. All right. I'm looking at this long here now, chat. Friday was a win. Was it a win or was it a break even? I swear it was a break even because I had to go test drive the Lambo. Okay, I'm gonna get into a long here. These are the tools of me getting into longs, by the way, chat. If it pushes up with no remorse, then I'm gonna be doing this. So this is 10 contracts. Let's see. I think it's gonna push a little bit deeper though. I'm trading emotionally. I am? How? I don't think I am. Guys, did you know rage baiting is a sin? Kidding. But did you see the video about that? Patience, guys. Waiting for this 15-minute reaction here. You're right. I'm sorry. I forgive you. Guys, what would you do if Justin just randomly comes back and just shows full proof, like $20 million in payouts, and just says, I fooled the internet, and becomes the biggest trader in the world? What'd you do, guys, if I went on social media and said, like, oh, I've been faking everything, I get a bunch of attention, and then I come back and just prove everything? Like, would that be 5-head marketing if I do that? Should I do that? Should I say I've been lying about everything, then come back and just show proof of everything, like constant, like trade logs and everything? Is that Division 1 engagement baiting? This looks bullish, guys. I just need to see a little bit more rejection here. I'm in long. Where's my stop? 24,757. All right, re-entry. Now we get a better fill, so it would actually make more money. 4.6R full TP. See how she goes. Great reaction off the start, though. Scum gang. I missed that. I missed that, bro. Listening to that. Nothing tops OG 6ix9ine. Joe Ben, brother. I'm really happy for your final ICT in your stream. Proud moment. Thank you, brother. Justin Jeeber. Thank you, brother. Yeah, man. A lot of things have happened recently, and I'm very grateful for them. Touring Wall Street, ICT stopping by the stream, and it's pretty crazy. It's a wild feeling, nonetheless. It's a feeling I hope all of you guys will be able to feel when you become successful yourselves. And when you become successful, I hope that you do the same thing that I do. I hope that you guys use it to help people and not to, you know, benefit off of them. God gave me a platform to be able to help people, not to be able to sell a course and deceive people. Not the greatest reaction there. I want to see lower, low. I want to see a high, like a faster attack to these relative equal highs. The fact that we made higher relative equal highs here is beautiful. Like, look, I want to see price action turn up. I'm actually going to add more positions here. I'm going to drag my stop now as well. All the way up to this low. Check this. All right, I added more contracts here on the re-entry. I'll take those contracts off when we hit midnight open. But I'd be pretty surprised if we go down lower. But my risk management is literally covered easily. Like, chat, this is not even a lot. Like, this will be what, like $250 loss, 275. So it's fairly cut risk after dragging your stop loss to that low. And if we look at that 15 minute, we should push up right now. After that reaction, we should push up. Let's get rid of the executions and clear up the charts a little bit so we can put you guys in a better motion, more emotional state, less emotional state, to be able to just like pay attention. You can see sell side liquidity taken, midnight opens there. We have the relative equal highs there, 15 minute fair value gap. Not the greatest reaction there though. I don't know. I feel like today's just, it has the movement, but it doesn't create the opportunity, at least for my system, you know? Some traders take entries up here and it would be an amazing day for them. But for me, it's just like, everything was great. It was like 9 out of the 10 pieces lined up, but the most important piece didn't. And like, you know what I mean? Like, we just didn't have the entries today, but we had the right narrative, the right everything. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. On terms of bias, though, it's really hard to pick a daily bias when you're consolidating this much. So you want to trade on a smaller scale. Oh, did we get stopped? We did. Yeah. Fellas, I'm going to sit on my hands. I'm going to wait a little bit. How much did I lose there? I'll tell you in a second. $250. No. We're gonna check on Tradeovate. Okay. Wait, this was it. 124 plus 200, so 3. No, that's not. Past execution. 300. 3 hundos. It wants to go higher. Did I just blow my accounts? No, I'm still on my accounts. Still right here, brother. Just close the trade out. Yeah. Gotta wait, guys. Gotta sit on our hands. Don't I stop after 3 losses? I'm trading different accounts. I'm not trading my Apex for PM session. But yeah, not the greatest past 3 days, guys. But remember, I want you guys to learn something from these streams, because whenever I go through losing streaks, it is the biggest opportunity to learn. Because chat, type 1 if you, okay, wait. How many losing streaks did I have in the past like 6 months? For my consistent viewers watching. Okay, I had a losing streak before I took out a 200K payout. Okay, that was at the beginning of January, the beginning of the year. There was, what else? There was the December one, but I wasn't trading my main accounts, so I'm not gonna count that. There's October's. December, I wasn't trading my Apex accounts. I don't trade my Apex accounts during that. And then, yeah. So the learning experience that I want you guys, everybody watching and listening right now, I want you guys to learn this. Let's just round it to 3. I've had 3 harsh losing streaks in the past 6 months of trading. Every single time after those losing streaks, I always get a payout, because after a losing streak is a winning streak. And what is important during this period of time, guys? What is important? Managing your risk, because every trader will take losses, but making sure that those losses are minimized. I want to show you live example. What did I do just now when I took a loss? I added more positions, yes, so I could have a big winner if it would have won. But I dragged my stop loss and aggressively and managed it. And look, I saved myself from a big loss. I only lost $300 on that trade. That's managing my loss with the potential of bigger upside. What happened with Apex? I lost twice today. One loss and then one 50% cut risk loss. So I'm not trading. I think I'm down to 8,000, which is $800 per account. So I'm fine with that. But I don't want to trade it on the PM session. So today, losses were taken, but they were cut. So going into tomorrow, if I have a good trade, I'm going to make more money. It's technically like a win, chat. Like, you have to listen to what I'm saying. If you take a loss and you're taking a loss for $1,000, and then you take a win and that's a $2,000 win, you're only netting $1,000. But if you take a loss and you identified it was bad and you cut your risk and you manage your risk and you only lost 500, you're technically netting 1,500 when you get that win. So you're making an extra $500. So that's technically a win. So losses are winners if they're managed correctly. And that's the key point to take away. Every time you watch me going through my losing streaks, how do I always come out on top when I come back to my winning streaks? That's what I do while I'm losing. And that's what you can learn from. That's what you can learn from. And I actually strongly encourage you to go back and rewatch the streams that I lose and listen to what I say and how I think and how I react to when I lose. Okay? $15-minute fair value gap soon? No, it's inverting it. It looks like it's drawing to a lower draw. I guess previous day low wasn't the draw, chat. Looks like it wants to go to that low hanging fruit from Tuesday. Looks like it actually wants to break out of the range now. Rip the 1 mil challenge. I'm still in it, brother. My accounts are still there. Hold on. I'm not going to log out of TradeAvy. I'll do it at the end of the stream, but they're still there, brother. Okay, let me go to my dashboard. Here you go, brother. Active evals. Still 10. Still there. You're okay. You're okay, brother. Breathe. Stop losses are God sent. I lost so many accounts because not accepting losses. It's not stop losses. It's just like walking away, you know, and that's in life too. Walking away. Silence is so important. Just letting the loss be, because I forgot what the saying is called. I think it's like fiery horse saying or something dumb, where us as humans tend to make losers worse. And the people that walk away on the first loss, they tend to win more. And there's no IOFED entry here, so I'm not looking for a short yet. Uh-oh. Fraud protection. Oh shit. It's not scam though, it's from an actual recognized number. Hopefully no one's trying to steal money from my credit card. If I fail those evals, will I try again with another 10? Yeah, I mean, like, I'm trading aggressively with these evals. Like, blowing them is not out of the picture. Like, I'm not trading the regular way I trade. I'm over risking for my personal risk management. So I went into this challenge knowing that there's a possibility that I could blow them, but I'm doing it aggressively. Because I know that you can't get a 7. You can, but it'll take way too long. It'll probably move you to live before. They'll move you to live before getting a 7-figure payout if you slowly scale. And that's how I trade, is slowly scaling. Haters everywhere. It's because I'm going viral on Twitter right now. It's because I was outside of Canada. Oh, true. Maybe. We'll see. Ben, why is my mental so fucked when you lose? Because you get attached to, it's the same with anything. Like, you get attached to something. You have too emotional attachment to an unrealized profit. The only profit is the profit that is in your bank account. You guys are getting emotional over profit that isn't promised to you. And that's why you get emotional when you lose it. No, I didn't, AG. What did he say? Keegan, did you have 10 Ls today? If you did today, walk away, brother. What's up, tech key stuff? No, 4 days. Take a day off. It could, actually, no, don't take a day off. Just keep training your system. You're fine. It's part of the process. I would say if it was in the span of like 2 days, take a day off, but you just had the weekend, so you'll be fine. Ben, go all in. Chat, should I go all in black? At the rare occurrence, sometimes you have 10 Ls in a row. But yeah, like if you had 10 Ls in a row, odds are you're probably not following your model. Because it's very rare for a model to get 10 Ls in a row. It happens very rarely. But you probably need to refine your model a little bit more. Or if you haven't been sticking to your model, or they could have been emotional losses. I didn't have 10 in a row. No, I'm talking about someone else who did in chat. Missed the streams. What's up, brother? How many losses have I had in a row? Losing, I go by losing days. I don't go by actual trades because trades change because of RR. But well, I'll tell you both. For losing days, I had this is probably losing day today, but the day's not over. So far, we'll say it's a losing day. Friday was break even. Thursday was losing. So 2. And then after that, I can't really remember. But in that span of those 3 days, 2, 3, 5. But again, my model is a lot different. I trade a little bit of higher frequency. So again, same thing with him. The guy who said he had 10 losing trades in a row. Like, he could have a high frequency trading model. So you can't really say that his model doesn't work just because of 10 losses. It all depends on his winners. Like, a guy who takes 10 losses but then has one winner and that one winner overtakes all those 10 losses, in reality those 10 losses aren't actually 10 losses. It's less. Saw you and Eddie stream earlier. Yeah, I saw one of his accounts is negative 6,000. What happened? Scalper probably. Yeah, no, it works. It's just been unfortunate price action. Hey, then don't change anything, brother. Just like journal it and move on. It's part of the process. When you start to change it and you start to get emotional over it, that's when you start to, like, you know, lose yourself, lose your trading, lose everything. 1,000 people taking over 50 trades a day. If it's their system, then it's their system, man. Like, I'm not gonna shame on someone else for their trading style, even though if it might look stupid, sound stupid. I'm not gonna shame on anybody for having something that they studied. If it works for them, good for them, right? But guys, I can't wait for this stream. It's gonna be an Apex sponsored Peter Tuchman and Benjamin SMC stream, guys. It's gonna be insane. No one has ever done this before. I'm a 19-year-old who does everything for free. Is gonna get a free live stream with the Einstein of Wall Street on YouTube for you guys. No one has done that. I'm telling you guys, we're still early. We still got so much to come. Would you say weed can hold you back? Yes. Don't even trading, life, everything. We will hold you back. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. I used to be a stoner. I've recently been going to a private members club. It's an invite only, minimum net worth type of club. I met a lot of rich people, and I'm talking about hundreds of millions of dollars in net worth. Not one of them smokes weed. They drink, some of them do, but not one person smokes weed. And the reason why, and why they tell me, is because it makes you sluggish and it makes you comfortable. Alcohol, you have a fun night out, you come back the next morning, you regret everything. Weed, you don't see a problem with it. And that's the problem. It makes you comfortable. That's the problem. That's what people don't realize. Will there be Asia today? Depends. I'm gonna go to the gym and then record a YouTube video for you guys. And if I have everything done in time, then probably. Gotta be patient, guys. We're just reaccumulating right now. I do not do snow, brother. The boot camp. Should I make a new boot camp? Should I do a new boot camp, guys? I feel like it's too early. The other one's just finished. Like, I feel like I need to build up more engagement and then produce like a real good boot camp on YouTube. Was the boot camp actually good? Like, be honest. Like, did you learn a lot from it? Do it after a meal payout. Nothing will change. I'm still the same trader. Like, I still have the same knowledge. I haven't changed my system, so there'd be no difference. Not bad for starters. Okay, here's the question. Should I do a more difficult boot camp, more advanced concept boot camp, or easier one? More advanced, more advanced, more advanced, more advanced. So Bootcamp 2.0. Advanced concepts. All right. Should I focus it more on psychological and risk management or more on actual price action? No, call me Maui. Look what ICT did. He did 2022 core content, 2024. It's better to do that because then people can cycle through it. Because if I do an advanced one and people are already advanced, they're not going to watch the beginner one, right? All right. Listen, it's not going to be now and it's not going to be tomorrow or next week because I'm working on setting up the stream with Peter Tuckman. I'm working on this website called Prop Firm Gain. I'm working on a bunch of things right now and I've been very stressed, so I don't have the energy nor time to put on another obligation like that, but it will come soon. I still think it's bearish, guys. I wouldn't fight for longs right now. I think I'll take my last trade of the day if it pushes down to this level. Pushes down to that level, will be the last trade of the day. But it doesn't look like it wants to. Could just consolidate. Look at that hourly fair value gap though. Like, oh my gosh. Look at that. Thoughts on nicotine? It's just like caffeine. Like, it takes control of you. Don't do it. Especially with the new 4-hour candle. Yeah, I know. Looks bearish. I'm probably gonna get in a short. I just need to see a body reaction here, or it needs to go to my fill price. One second, guys. 1 second. YM was so clean today, man. If only NQ was like YM. Guys, I drank too much black coffee. Uh-oh. Ooh, not again. Hey, last time this happened, we caught like a crazy 5-hour short. So like, maybe we do it again. Don't do ADHD medication. I had a heart attack when I was 16 because I took Concerta. Not the greatest reaction, guys. We don't have the body reactions yet. Oh, Zempic. I said Concerta. Where'd you get Zempic from? Guys, who's tried the Trade C thing with Lucid? Is it good? Has anyone tried Trade C? It looks pretty good from what I've seen it, but I've never tried it. Oh, shit. Shouldn't you know? I've never tried it. Trade C is goated. It's good, but you can't copy trade. Ooh, I don't like that. Has its bugs. I'm still gonna stick with Trade-Evate and Ninja Trader. Those two are just the best. Still not getting into this trade chat. Still just indecisive. That's why I'm waiting for an expansion to the downside. It looks like it wants to respect that 5-minute fair value gap, but it's just not giving us that 1-minute reaction that we need. So we just need to sit on our hands. My favorite saying. It's still beta. Yeah, I still think like it's. I think it's still too new and it needs bugs so they can fix it. Like, problems with new platforms is platforms turn out good because they've been around for long enough to see the bugs. This one's new. Trade-Evate's been around for years. So the reason why I like Trade-Evate is because it's been around and they know the bugs that happen and they fix it so it doesn't crash that much. Sorry, chat, 1 second. Yeah, don't love it. Don't love this price action right now, chat. Last few days, just like today was clean, but it just didn't give the opportunity at the time that I trade, you know? It was clean every part of the day other than the time that we were trading. It's a little tough, but risk management and discipline is what takes control here. Maybe we get a reaction here. Hold on. Looks bearish, bro. Look at that 2-minute chart. Like, tell me that is not bearish, bro. Why do I trade PM? Because I like it. Because I like it, chat. I like the PM session. Chat, how's the Lux maxing going, guys? What do you think? You see the little bit of a weight difference? Cover the hole in my shirt, but Okay. You know, I see it a little bit. I see it a little bit, right? What about from the front? A little bit of weight loss, chat. A little bit. Let's stand up. A little bit. A little bit. It's coming. It's coming together, chat. It's coming together. It's coming together. But let's do it. All right, I finished. Yo, what the fuck? What did I just hear, bro? Omar says, I beg your pardon. Today, I'm hitting, what am I hitting? I'm hitting back. Oh, I want to see an expansion to the downside here, chat. Here we go. Yeah, man. Come to Papi. Papi chulo. Come on. I know you want to rip lower here. I know you do. Give us a nice body reaction so Ben can get into the tray. We got 28 seconds. I'm gonna get into the trade, chat. It's at a low, but I got it. It's at my fill, so I'm gonna get in, right? See if we can push down just a little bit lower. Just wait for that body reaction. Boom. See? Not a good body reaction. It could use this here still, though. I'll get into the entry right here. Come on. We have relatively equal highs at the stop, but it just broke down to the downside. Look at that 5-minute reaction there. That looks so bearish. This will be my last trade of the day, though, chat. On my Tradeify accounts. Whoa. All right, let's see how she goes. Let's go into the low of the day. 2.52R. Or no, 2.5, 2.4, 2.36. Let's see how she does. Last trade of the day, chat. Let's see how it goes. Which Tradeify accounts am I trading? Right now it's the 150K straight to funded, which is the best straight to funded accounts you can get in the world right now. There's no better firm for straight to funded accounts than Tradeify. But they're a little bit pricey. That's the only problem. Come on, baby. Let's see this beautiful reaction here. How do I deal with 20% consistency? You just don't over leverage. We have 1 minute for the 5-minute body reaction. Let's see how it goes. Guys, in every image, this is a textbook short setup. Like, the only reason why it reverses is from that 5-minute fair value gap, but like, just took buy side, trade to a 1 hour fair value gap, reject mid at open, push down lower, bearish bias, everything. Like, if this doesn't work, the day's over. It's just gonna consolidate. The picosecond time frame looks good. What? I'm not gonna lie, chat, bro. Every time I will take a win or loss, there will be someone in my stream saying, yo, you should have looked at the 30-second. I'm like, no, I'm not going to look at the 30-second time frame, bro. I'm not going to look at your 30-second time frame. I'm not going to look at your 10-year time frame. I'm kidding. This is what we're going for. Okay. Entry filled the fair value gaps right at the end, at the premium, so it's not shorting into discount. Let's see how she goes. If this doesn't work, then I'm walking away because this is a pretty clean setup. This is a pretty clean setup now that I'm looking at it. Like, lean back from your chart, chat, and just like look at the setup. It's pretty fucking clean. It's actually a pretty sexy setup. I'll do a trade recap if it wins. Low key got it. U.S. mortgage rates dropped below 6% for the first time since 2022. We're gonna have a housing crisis, bro. I'm not even kidding. See if I can see any. Can't find anything on Twitter about it. Ugly PA. Now, like I said, if this trade doesn't win him off for the day, because the day would be over. Both, Ivana. Canada's already in a real estate crash. You have to buy a new eval, R9 BY. I'm gonna buy real estate here in Canada soon. It's actually at a very good price. Very good price. Very well. Very well. Give it some time, guys. Stay on the 5-minute chart on this trade, okay? Stay on the 5-minute. It's gonna fluctuate a little bit on the 1 minute. Just stay on the 5. Stay on the 5. Everybody right now, go follow my IG, guys. We're almost, I need to get to 10,000. All right, Benjamin underscore SMCS. All the IG. Huh? There's a guy on my Discord promoting porn, bro. The 1080p option, it's because I got a new PC and it's taking too much internet, so I'm having an internet provider come here and set up a whole new internet just for my streaming. But they're taking a while, so it'll be fixed soon. Is this really your model? Oh yeah, 100%, bro. Look how beautiful this setup is. Buy side liquidity sweep, 1 hour fair value gap, failure to swing up midnight open. disrespects 15-minute fair value gap, disrespects 1 minute mark, like this market structure shift, sell side liquidity, bearish bias, trade into a premium of this range for the entry, consolidates at equilibrium, trades to the sell side. It's beautiful. If the trade doesn't win, then the distribution, the only reason why this trade would not win is because the distribution is over. So that literally gives me an answer for today. If this trade doesn't win, I'm off. No chance I'm going to catch another trade after this, because this trade should win. I'm pretty confident on it. That doesn't mean over leverage. That doesn't mean add more positions. That just means sit on your hands with confidence. Sit on your hands with confidence. $31.2. Lio, this cap. Should I go all in on shorts? No, bro. No, you should not. Okay, any real estate agents in this chat? I have a question, but actual real estate agents, like, be for real. Okay. I make a lot of money. Like a lot of money. But I want to stay liquid. What is better? For me to buy a house either all in cash and I will not be liquid for a little few months and then I'll be liquid again. So I'll like I'll bring myself close to my like only 100 grand left, or get a short mortgage, a very short mortgage, and pay it off with high monthly fees, or get like a 25-year mortgage and then just do like 100K all whenever I want, whenever I feel like I'm comfortable, and just keep the monthly payments low and then buy it out whenever I want. That way I'm staying liquid while paying off the mortgage while having the house. But then if I ever get into a position where I make a lot of money and I want to just like pay off the whole house, I can. Beautiful reaction, I know, yeah. What am I looking to do with the place? Retire my mom. It's gonna be my mom's house. But a short mortgage will not give me liquid. It will keep the monthly payments high. I'm gonna listen to Trey. Depends on your purchase price. Let's say it's 1.5 million Canadian. So around 1.1 million USD. Look at that reaction, chat. Shipping. Oh yeah. But remember, in Canada, there's a minimum down payment of anything over $1 million. You have to put a down payment of 20%. And if I put under, I'm going to have mortgage insurance, which is not good. Mortgage insurance, which isn't good. If they pay you off more, they'll charge you a fee. Really? Okay, terrible reaction there, chat. Do the 25-year. This will allow you to have liquid for emergencies and then give you some funds. Mortgage has very little downside if you can make the payments comfortably. Okay, yeah, so I can have a high payment and still make it comfortably, but that's the problem is if I ever want to like put a lot of money into something, but also it's sustainability with my income source. You know, if something hits the fan, I still want to have something that I can pay off, that I could be able to pay off if I have to go get a sales job and make 100K a year, you know? If I get sued or something bad happens. Or if you do a quick 1 to 2 year mortgage, then pay the remaining amount. A 1 to 2 year mortgage on a $1.5 million house is a lot. Brother, I make 1.5 million a year. So like that's a 2 year mortgage. That's 50% of my income each year. That's not what I want. That's going to make me illiquid. Cheapest mortgage payment you can. You have more control. You can leverage others, but then I'm paying more interest the longer it is. Gotta wait for this trade. We already dragged our stop loss, so we're fine for the day no matter what. Like, we're fine. And you need 2 years of taxes for a mortgage. I got a mortgage with a bank statement about higher rates. No, I can go to the... So my real estate agent said that you need 2 years of taxes if you want to do it regularly, but I can go through a specific mortgage brokerage and get like I don't have that many taxes, but like I need to go through a specific brokerage and get a specific acceptance through a real estate agent and a bank, and I'll be able to do it. So then I should do a 10-year mortgage. Well, how much is that? Terrible reaction there, chat. $1.5 million divided by 10. It's $150,000 a year divided by 12. I'm gonna have a $12,500 a month payment. No, this isn't a house for me. It's a house for my mom. So I don't want to get it in Dubai, bro. Do 15. I'll talk to my real estate agent, but like I just wanted to get your advice. Okay, that's a beautiful reaction there. I feel like I keep saying bad reaction, beautiful reaction. Like the markets are so choppy right now, but it's a beautiful reaction there. Oh yeah, the 20% down payment off, then they calculate it, so. It's 1.2 million. So 200K up front, or 300K up front for the down payment, then $1.2 million divided by 15 years is $80,000 a year, divided by 12 is $6,666. Okay. $6,600 a month, which would have been my car payment to finance the Lambo. So I think I should probably do that instead. Not a bad reaction there, chat. Guys, when I surprise it, I'm gonna hire like a video, like a movie production team for the YouTube video, and it's gonna be the coolest YouTube video, bro. Can't drive a house? Facts. Obviously, I'm gonna do it for my heart, but I'm also obviously gonna make a video. Like, what? Come on, can we get a nice body reaction on this trade? Like, can it stop baiting us to go lower and then turning up higher? Dun, dun. Yeah, fellas, by the way, do not miss out on all the discounts. The Lucid trading is 50% off. The Lucid Flex account is the OG top step before they turn trash. It's cheaper. It's also 50% off with code Ben right now, and it's literally the hottest firm out there right now. Other than that, Apex 90% off sale is ending soon. Code Ben, it does end very soon. Code Ben gets rid of the consistency rule, and you can pass in 1 day. Tradeify 40% off, best straight to funded accounts. There's a reason why I only have 3 firms on here, and I'm not promoting a bunch of other ones because these are the most reputable, most safe, and the best firms in the space. Can you show us your TP? You can see it. It's right here. It's the low of the day. Or just put the 1.2 mil on black and cash and then you win. That's a good idea. Yo, I should put $1.2 million on black or 1.5 mil on black, and then pay in cash. Show P&L. It's right here, brother. Put it on green. Even better idea. Beautiful entry here, chat. Like, let's go back to the 5 minute. Look at this entry. It's so beautiful. Like, this trade is actually so beautiful, chat. I heard about Trade C. It looks really good, but I've never tried them. Isn't that like only primarily just for Lucid? Listen to ICT's space related to prop firms. What is it about? His spaces are so long though. Your patience is unmatched. Thank you, brother. What if I put it on triple green? So you know the roulette tables that have single green, double green, and triple green, and I put it on single green. 1 to 35R, 1 million. I think that's a good decision. Or do 1 slot spin on Buffalo of $1 million and get the grand jackpots. 1 Blinko ball. 1000x. $1 billion. Patience, fellas. I do think it's gonna rip lower. When does the 90% off sale end? February 24th. Oh, it ends tomorrow. Nice reaction there, chat. I've never seen triple green. Maybe that's because it's due. Wait, that's a sign. I'm kidding. Don't actually take. Don't actually. Do we have a consistency rule in the PA? Yes, but it's not bad. It's really not a bad consistency. Can I sue you, Ben? I need money. Tradeify instant funding is, there's nothing better than their instant funding accounts. Like there's no better firm that has a better instant funding account than Tradeify. I am tired. I just got a wave of tiredness for some reason. I even got a lot of sleep today, so I don't know. But I'm working on my first payout on Apex with 10 accounts. How does each payout work with max payouts? There is no like max payout unless you're getting your first one. But I can't really remember. You're going to have to ask ChatGPT. Just break down my first payout rules with Apex. But don't go for a big payout, Caleb. Don't request too much. Focus on building a buffer because the real money when you're trading Apex comes after you take your few payouts to then get your like no payout cap. Because then you can take like a couple good trades and get like a massive payout. So get rid of that instant gratification and go for compounding. First 5, yeah. So compound small payouts for your first 5, then go for the no payout cap, get a big payout. Buffer, yeah. That's true, Omar. For the, yes, you do. For the first, yes, you do, Shreds. Look at this reaction chat. We're resting 8 hundos, 8 bills. $8 bills on the trade, chat. If I got $700 drawdown left, how should I manage my trades? Well, what's your average risk for your trade? But yeah, guys, now that we all know Top Step has gone down the drain, Lucid Trading is the next Top Step. They're actually bigger than Top Step. Like they're gonna be the biggest firm. Like they are insane, insane. And their Lucid Flex account, I've never seen a better account than that. I'm actually gonna buy. I'm gonna buy a few. Let's see, how much is their Lucid Flex? So their Lucid Flex, they have Lucid Pro, which is also really good. But their Lucid Flex accounts, 150K is $200, not including 50% discount. So it's only $100 for their 150K. Wow. That's cheap, bro. They have okay, it's $30 for a 25K Lucid Flex. Lucid Black as well. Lucid Direct funding, so they have straight to funding. 150K is $600, 50% off, so $300 for 150K straight to funded. Yeah, they have pretty good ass counts. I want to try them. And there's no XFA fee. Like there's no what's the fee called? Activation fee with Lucid. There's no activation fee. Look at that beautiful reaction to the downside. I wouldn't bet on it, Jacko. I'd close the trade when it hits sell side. You can only use any discount code twice for the 50% off discount. Not dragging stop loss? Oh yeah, we're gonna go to break even here, chat. All right, break even on the day, on the day, I wish, on the trade. No one can touch Apex. What do you mean? Yeah, Apex is the biggest firm. Most popular. And it's the biggest. Got 2 payouts with them. Well worth it. Damn, I left after 2 L's. I thought got off, but good trade. I'm gonna control my emotions and sit. Good discipline, brother. I'm pretty sure you can. It's a futures firm, so you should be able to trade gold futures. Close the trade? Why? Hasn't taken to draw liquidity yet. I'm not gonna close unless it gives me a valid reason to close. If it goes to break even, then it just goes to break even. I'll get a better trade later. Gold is still moving like crazy. What about silver? Wow. My commission must be big. No, actually, my commission for Lucid is the same as anybody that can get by going on their website, just clicking apply to be a affiliate. I don't have any bigger commission than anybody else, but I don't get paid by them. Like I said, I've never used their account before, but going off of the rules and what I'm seeing, it's a fucking good ass firm. Thoughts on Mexico? It's sad. Prayers for Mexico. Whatever fits your budget and your personality style, my man, is good. Look at that reaction right there, chat. I see us hitting TP in the next 5 minutes. Give us that expansion here. Give us that expansion. A minute and a half until we have that macro. Last 10 minutes of the hour. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how she goes. How she wonders. How she wonders and wanders. Ugh. Bad reaction there. Bad reaction there. Patience, guys. Give it patience. Getting a little bit tired now. Whenever I stream for this long, I get tired. Chat, do you think it's time to let go of the famous Benjamin SMC chair? I think it's time. This thing is a little bit like, I think it's time. Like, it's the infamous chair, but I think it's time to let it go. It's starting to be not comfortable. Like, the cushioning is gone. How? What the fuck? Hold on. What the shit? There's a nail. I was sitting on a nail. Okay, maybe it is time to take away this chair. Bro. I'm not even kidding. I just picked that out of the chair. Bro. Nah. I gotta wrap it up, bro. I gotta wrap it up. Yo, my chat is wow. What are you saying right now? Look at that reaction right there, baby. What chair should I get, chat? Should I get a Herman Miller? What are some good chairs? What are some good chairs, chat? The Razer chair? Have you guys seen the Razer chair? Herman Miller office chair. It just looks so basic though. What about the Razer? Razer chair. What's a good chair brand? Yeah, this chair, guys. I'm gonna get copyright. I'm gonna get copyright. No. This chair. That looks pretty comfortable, right? I just don't really like the green on it. Secret Labs. Secret Lab chair. $800. They look sick. Can I get a custom one? Come on, baby. Rip the TP here. Herman Miller Gaming and Body. Whoa. That one looks sick. How much is that? $2,400. Bro. No way I'm spending 2.4K on a chair. Bro. That's insane. That's like... It's worth it? Is it honestly worth it? Like, should I? Like, I will if it's worth it. I don't want any back problems. Is there a... I need to find a store near me. I need to sit in a chair and feel it. I can't order it online. I spent 2K on my steel case. Yeah, I have a Rimowa too. My Rimowa was $3,000. But that's lifetime insurance, lifetime care. If you lose it, they'll replace it, coverage, whatever. Like, that's more than just a suitcase. Come on, bro. We keep getting the reaction to the downside, and then it just keeps going back up and saying, nope, F you. Steel case is a chair, not the suitcase. Oh, you're not talking. Oh, I thought you were talking about an actual like steel suitcase. All right, I'll look on TikTok, see what the best option is. I might go with that Labs thing. It looks really cool. And it's not too bad. It's $700. We'll see. We're in that macro. Power hours in 4 minutes. We got some time. Don't get out of the trade yet. Just let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Thank you, Swimming, for the subscription. I appreciate it, brother. How many subscribers are we at now, chat? I gotta do more long form content because, like, bro, how do I have one of the biggest trading streams yet I only have like, I don't have like 100K subscribers? Like, I need to do more. Doom, 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 doom. But I'm not going for what will ending. I'm not going for what they look. I need something that helps with my back. I sit a lot, chat. Not the greatest reaction. I'm not worried. So Herman Miller it is, eh, chat? See if there's a Herman Miller store near me. Bro, the closest one is 20 kilometers away. Just gotta be patient, guys. Just gotta be patient. Look at that reaction. See how I had no emotion when it ripped up higher? I was like, I'm not worried. Some of you guys probably closed out your trade there, didn't you? Didn't you, rookies? Type 1 if you closed your trade when it went up there. And be honest, I won't make fun of you, I promise. That's why you gotta trust your system, guys. Trust the trade. Come on, guys. Can't be emotional like that. You can't emotionally close your trade. You only have to trade. You can only close it or it's supposed to be closed. Look, it's gonna rip the TP most likely now. Just that was the last leg of manipulation. Now we have the new 1 hour candle open in 1 minute, which gives us enough volatility to rip lower. It's a simple manipulation distribution. Now what we can do is grab our stop loss and drag it to that high to confirm profits as well. So not only did we confirm profits, but we also have the volatility in 1 minute to go to full TP if we want to. Look at this. Hey, yo, Lio, what are you talking about, bro? 15 seconds until we have that new 1 hour open, which should drive us a little bit lower here, chat. At least below that low. Come on, baby. Let's have full TP on this trade. What's up, Zahid? How's it going, brother? Come on, baby. Let's get just an easy rip for this market open. 1 hour open. Not market open, sorry. Let's get a rip. It'll be funny if it reverses now. That's what you get for saying that. Come on. Rip, baby. Come to Papi Chulo. Ever been to Europe? No, actually, I've never been to Europe. I want to go to Italy. Yeah, not a good reaction there, chat. It is consolidating at that volume balance, so once again, you have to be patient. Be patient, guys. Don't worry. Be happy. Come on. Should get the volatility that we need here to push lower. I'll travel, guys, once I can get to the point where like I can take a little bit of a, like I'm planning on like probably next year taking a 2-week break or a month break from streaming and just traveling. I'm gonna go to Europe and I'm just gonna go country to country to country to country and country and just make content. But I don't want to take a break from streaming yet. I want to keep doing it, keep grinding. So probably next year I'll go to Europe. Backpack Europe. Or if I'm big enough, I'll do an IRL stream traveling Europe. Romania. Come on, let's break out of this range here, NQ. I'm bored. I want to make my money and go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oops. Okay, let's go. Come on. There was that displacement, man. This guy in my Twitter comment says, "Don't pull a Justin Weirlin and LARPing. You did not lose $8,000." If I was to LARP, why would I LARP a loss? I actually strongly believe that some people in this world just cannot critically think, and it's an epidemic. It's a pandemic, bro, of critical thinkers. We have a shortage of critical thinkers, bro. Why would I LARP losing money, bro? This is a beautiful entry still, chat. You're probably like, oh, it's that ugly 1 minute. Just look at the 5 minute. It's still fine. It's a me, Mario. What is a Lot Hills? Is that a store? Mountains? Yeah. Not in my city. No, there's no mountains in Toronto. Patience, fellas. We can play. Can we play a browser game during this boring ass chop? Guys, should we pull out the BJ? Should we do the BJ? Is it time for some BJ, bro? Oh, I'm just trying to find the one that I played previously. Let's do it, chat. Let's see if this one's good. Hold on. Okay, this one's not bad. While we're waiting for the trade to TP, which is about to TP, let's play some BJ. Oh, we should do it the other way. Like this. That. All right. Chat. 15-8. Yes, sir, Zahid. Obviously, we hit. We hit a 15 because we got balls of steel. I'm kidding. You stand. Yeah, we would have lost anyways, probably. Watch this. Oh. Ew. I gotta stand on that. Fuck. Did we hit it? No, I can stand on that. These are weak cards. We're getting rinsed already. Let's run it. All right. Okay. See, that's what I'm talking about. You gotta lose some to win some. Oh, hold on, chat. I'm just making sure my king open trade evade to close my position because about to hit TP. Gotta win some to lose some. All right. Do we? No, we stand. All right, chat. What's the move here? We stand, right? We stand these two 17s. Yeah, we stand. This is bread and butter. Don't you dare have a BJ. See? Boom. Okay, we obviously hit that. Hit again. That's a terrible card. 18. We'll stand on an 18. We can't. I know the book says stand, but they have a 9. Like, Okay, here's the thing. If we stand, we also have a chance of him busting because we have an 18. I think we stand. We stand. This we hit. Hit again. Okay, this is pretty good. The dealer's got a bust. And he has a 10. Okay, not the greatest. I'm gonna hit this. Come on. Come on. Give me a 5. 6 or under. 6 or under. 6 or under, chat. Bang. Oh! What a hit! Come on. Okay. Okay. Not shabby. Now we're about to hit TP on this trade. Let's run it. Not shabby. $11. Hit. Come on, TP. Stand. Stand. Hit. 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 Stand. This is strong. No way he has 20 over. Look at that, baby. Why would he not go for another card? Like, it's lose-lose. I don't know. Hey, BJ, 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 BJ. We stand. Hit. Oh! Why did I wasn't even thinking. I didn't even see the cards. I just saw the number. I'm so dumb. Hello, BJ. No shot! Okay. It's a 2. We stand. Stand. Hit. Stand. Bust. Nice! We're positive. Nice! Stand. Hit. 10. Hit. Stand. Nice! No shot, bro. We're flat even. We're break even right now. Blackjack again, bro. All right. Oh, what the fuck? Where did that come from? We just got rinsed. That's an L candle right there, chat. L candle. Once again, I'm not worried. It's manipulation. Yeah. We're chilling. Hasn't even broke a previous high. Still gonna go to TP. Come back. I knew I was gonna bust. I'm praying aggressive here. Watch. Yeah, because look, he has a BJ. Oh, no, he doesn't. Look at that. Look at that candle right there, chat. Look at that. Let's get one more win. 13, 15, 15, 10. Oof. Give me a 7. Give me an 8 here. Give me an 8. Give me an 8. Give me an 8. Oh. I'm hitting these. I'm hitting all of them. Oh, okay. If we win this, we're cashing. Bleach it, bro. A 2. Okay, not bad. Not bad. 7. Oh! Push. That. Not bad. All right, I'm getting off this thing. It's just online blackjack. Imagine ICT comes in on the stream seeing that. Guys, I still think we're going to TP. You guys just got to be patient. Don't close your trade. Oh, I left my phone on. Yeah, I'm probably going to close this trade, chat. Walk away with profits. And close if it pushes up a little bit higher here. Should rip down lower right now. We have a new 5-minute candle, so let's see what that does. That new 5-minute candle should push price action lower, because look, there's like no low formed on that 5-minute. But if it starts pushing up higher on that 5-minute open, I'm going to close. Patient. I blew my PA today. I revenge traded it and then went way too heavy into this trade. Made it all back. And now, see, that's the problem though. It would have been better for you to blow the account, because now you think that that's the answer to whenever you lose. And now mentally you set yourself back in a few months. You really can't do that, brother. You really got to focus on not doing that. We should push down lower here on that new 5-minute open. I can't tell you how much I make a month on prop trading because it's not consistent. Like not consistent, but it's not like I can give you a number. Like I can't just say I make 50K a month from trading prop firms, because some months I have negative months, you know, just like every other trader. It's not a it's linear, not linear. Kareem, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm tired, guys. I'm getting tired, bro. I'm getting tired. Hurry up and go to TP. Stop messing around with us. Come on, NQ. Stop messing around. Here we go. See how I did not get emotionally overturned by that leg of manipulation there? Because I'm so confident in our bias and our draw and liquidity that I did not get any of emotion from that move up. You have no TP. I manually close my TPs. I always have a stop loss. I never have a TP, because if it rips lower, right, I could easily just get more money. But I always have a stop loss. That's the risk that I'm taking, Marvin. I'll try, Ryan. Would I ever sell a course? Most likely not, but like if I get like, if I eventually like 20 years down the line, if I have like millions of dollars in payouts, maybe, but even still, it just wouldn't be worth my time. I don't know. Maybe. I don't see an interest in it. Why do I stream? I love it. It helps people. I love streaming. I love content. I love talking to people. And obviously it builds my personal brand, which benefit for everything. Patience, guys. Trust this trade. Trust the bias. Don't trust the trade. Trust your model. Trust your system. Don't trust the charts. Ben's patience is incredible. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired though, chat. Not gonna cap with y'all. I'm gonna close my trade if it goes back up to this high, just to let you guys know. I want to walk up. I want to walk away with something. Definitely gonna walk away with something today. It was a very tough day, especially me being completely right about bias and TP to top to bottom, me being completely right, but still losing because I got chopped up in this noise. It's easy to be emotional, so I'm just gonna walk away with what I have. Today's the 23rd, correct? Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna close here, chat. I know I could probably still go to my TP, but I'd rather walk away with this profit than sitting in this. So fellas, I'm gonna close this trade with profit. I'm out once it turns into a little bit more bullish. Once it breaks this level right here, pushes up one more time, I'm out of the trade. Needs to break that high. I'm out. All right, fellas. 1R. I closed that 1R. 1R on that trade, which isn't too shabby. But I'm going to get off for the day, walk away, probably go out to eat, study, make a YouTube video for you guys. Yeah. I'm going to come back tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, of course. Don't miss the AM sessions. And yeah, fellas. Selling courses is less risky than trading. I don't care. I just don't want to sell a course. Fellas, maybe an Asian session tonight. That's if I get everything that I need done. Maybe. I will let you guys know in the Discord. I've been like working a lot recently. I need to give myself a little bit of leeway, you know? We're going to get a huge win soon. As long as we manage our risks, those huge wins are going to be so tasty. So, fellas, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me turn off the music really quickly. 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. 9:20 p.m. Eastern time. Not p.m. 9:20 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. I will guarantee to be live tomorrow. AM session. And also, fellas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed watching these streams and you watch these streams, hit that subscribe button, man. Like, come support your boy. It helps more than you think. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to finish in prayer, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. So let's do it. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity, Lord. Please be with us, protect us, and forgive us for our sins. Glory, praise be to your name. Thank you for everything. And Lord, we pray that you be with anyone that may be going through a hard time, Father. Be with them, protect them, and forgive them for their sins, and forgive us for our sins, and lead us down the right path that you need us to be. Lord Jesus Christ, God, thank you for everything. In Jesus Christ's holy, amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, fellas. See you in the morning. Take care. God bless. Be safe. Stay disciplined. Follow your risk management. See you guys later. God bless, guys.